Paul again here from EMD Automotive. I've got a just changing the oil separator on this car here, which sits on this behind the intake manifold, bank 1. Just sits there and goes, sits here and goes there. I just want to show you the old one. That's the old one. Have a look there. Look at that. It's been squashed from before. So whoever installed this vapor separator from before squashed the extra O-ring, and what happened is the oil leaks out and not running properly. You get a massive air leak. Alright, that's the old one there, and this is the brand new one. See the difference? A bigger O-ring at the end. Alright, I'll install this and hopefully I can finish it and give it a wash and put the car back in, engine in the car in today. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.